my friends and colleagues, on behalf of the Brazilian Association of Hair Restoration Surgeons, I am honored to invite you to Salvador, Brazil, for the first ever World Congress on Afro Hair for a long while. Most hair products, hair treatments, hair grooming technologies, hair transplant surgical methods, and technologies have used the straight wavy hair model as standard. The result is that in all arenas, straight to wavy hair is considered easy, average, or normal. Conversely, because of lack of study, lack of research and development, tightly curled hair is considered difficult and somewhat of a mystery. It is obviously time for us to up our game. This workshop in Salvador, Brazil does just that. It brings together as faculty chosen hair specialists from across the globe with expertise in various aspects of hair and hair restoration that are especially relevant to Afro hair patients. In the workshop, attendees will learn the latest about Afro hair. They will know what makes it special, the various scalp and hair conditions unique to the Afro patient, and the latest/best practices for managing them. Best practices in Afro hair transplantation, including the latest techniques and breakthroughs in Afro follicular unit excision, will be taught and practiced. So, join us. The date is October 12th. The place is the beautiful city of Salvador, Brazil. See you there.